Alright, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 55. Coming to you live. Courtesy of 643boxbreaks.com. Yeah, I should work in radio. Here's our sheet for this evening. Crow, Linda. Got a new eBay bidder. David Coates, 777. Welcome. Hope you find our site, buddy. We got Tom. We got Ask Piper. We got Justin. Eric, always bidding up Detroit. And we got Sons for Cup. Kynes CD is back again from eBay. Mogwai. Minnesota's our drop team. Hammond is back. We got Phyllis with Ottawa. Mogwai 1 Phoenix free last break. We got Mrs. Oceans grab Pittsburgh. No, I always sound like this. I'm on Ritalin. We got Casualty. Sukajil. Teeks got Washington, and that's all she wrote. Let's roll for the drop team. This would be interesting with two cameras, but 7 is Crow. Crow, you get Minnesota. So you ended up with more teams anyway. And for the free team in the next break, it is a 16. 16 is Justin. You got Nashville free next break, which is Monday, I believe. And I'm unprepared for my blue and white bonus. Here we go. Before I do this, let's do, Tom had 5 or more teams, I forgot. He's sending you this Iggy Black Rainbow out of 100 and this Tony O foil card. These are kind of cool cards from OPC. Anyways, you know how it works. I roll my die. If it lands on a honorable numbers, I'm going to give away 4 packs. If it lands on the 5 or 6, we're going to give away the pretty net presence card. And if it lands on anything else, it's going to be a pack of score. But I don't have any more score, so it's going to be something better. Let's go. It is a 12. Boo. 12 is a pack of score. This evening, we're giving away a pack of contenders instead. Who's going to get the contenders? Let's find out. It is a 16 again. Justin. Is on fire. There we go. I'll make sure I put extra spacers and tape on it for you, just like you like it. And let's move on to our box. It is a factory sealed box. Serial number ending in 4043. Almost thought it was 643 for a second. Factory seal box. Good luck, everybody. Man, these live breaks are fun. I'm usually so lonely. Empty box, floor, packs. Starting off with a jersey card. And here we go. Michael Neuver, Jamie Benn, starting off with a base pack. Kessel, and you know what that means? Martin Hablat, My Spacer, and Drew Stafford. So, with this Phil Kessel card, I get to do...
It's the ship that made the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs.
And we get to bust open some more packs. So I'm going to open up a pack of Pinnacle for Tom, and 2 packs of Contenders. Let's go. We got Alex Steen, Mike Richards, John Carlson, Nicholas Bergforce, and nice Linus Omark auto for the Edmonton Oilers. So, first auto we put out of that one, and that's going to who had Edmonton? Sends for Cup. Grabbed Edmonton at the last minute. We got Duncan Keith. We got another hit. There's a Tim Thomas you wanted. We got Upside Down Kovalchuk, followed by Upside Down Ville Leno, followed by Alexander Semin for the Washington Capitals, and Teeks. You got a Ward Contenders card, not numbered. And Tom's pack of Pinnacle with, it has a spacer in it. Broussard, Glenn Cross, Chara, Jamie Benn, Steckel, Campbell, Duchesne, Anthony Stewart. Oh well. We'll do some more Pinnacle later, just for Tom. Kyle Okposo, Jackman, Ennis, Rollison, My Spacer, and nope, it isn't Tim Thomas. It is for the Minnesota Wild. And the drop team going to Crow. We got Nicholas Backstrom. Here we got our freshman signatures in this one. We got Dubinsky, Franzen, Carey Price, Tyler Seguin, My Spacer, and for the New York Islanders and Sens for Cup again through eBay, you got Mikko Koskinen, freshman signatures, autograph. It is a true rookie card. We got Joe Pavelski, Gabrick, a mirror red in this one, Clutterbuck, My Spacer's not cooperating, and that's fitting. For the Boston Bruins and Linda Scouts, you got Patrice Bergeron, who has been a topic of discussion this evening. Red mirror, numbered 193 out of 199. We had an Autofax sell for, what was it, 140, guys? Of Bergeron earlier. It's pretty cool. So, Callahan, LeCavalier. Oh, there's a jersey card in here. I didn't even see it. Bruce Galoff. Nick Andropov. Boo. And for the... I just pulled this the other day. Damn. For Crowlicious, we got a Fabric of the Game. Brandon McMillan. For Anaheim, numbered 321 out of 399. Crow's hogging up the hits. Got Evander Kane, Gino. Oh, it looks like we got a collision course in this one. We got Bobby Lou, Patrice Bergeron again, my spacer, and oh, for the New York Islanders and Sensor Cup for the third time, we got Travis Hamonic. That's kind of a cool looking card. Not numbered. Got a jersey card in there. Eric Stahl, Broussard, Shea Weber, David Backus. Remember, if you guys want your base, just let me know. Ah, cool. Because the New York Islanders clearly don't have enough hits this box. You got Patty okay, I ain't gonna do it, but Patty LaFontaine numbered 100 out of 500. Not bad. We had Alex Ovechkin. Oh, and we're finishing with a base pack. Solani, Dion, Matt Duchene, Shane Doan, and my spacer, and 2 jerseys. Got Tenby, Giordano. Oh, we got a redemption. Oh, God, no. Datsuk, Rick Nash, Pacioretty, and here come the cries of Ronaldo. Yeah, there it is. Oh, and it isn't. Nice. Very nice. Now, what do I do with that checklist? We got a Mass Marbles signatures, and that'll be out of 25, and it's card number 4. Let's see who that is. If I can get this checklist thing to open, here we go. Ah, very nice. Mass Marbles material signature, so it's a dual jersey auto out of 25 for the Carolina Hurricanes and Crowlicious. You got Cam Ward. And the last pack. Corey Perry. Biz Nasty. Got Mark Stahl followed by Stepan. And something interesting. Curtis Glencross. Oh, nice. Who's got Vancouver? Oh, Justin, you should have took him, buddy. You should have took him. Is Justin there? Certified potential jersey, Cody Hodgson. Go figure, huh? Shiny. Oh, you have it already? Okay. Numbered 89 out of 99. So, that's a good hit for you, Dean. Good job. Move these off to the side. And we're going to get ready for our Black Box of Mystery bonus. I had to get a bigger table for these breaks to accommodate all the hardware and stuff, so kind of scrambling. Yeah, I thought that was a cool card. So if you haven't seen this before, I'm going to roll my die. I'm going to pull out a top loader and a parallel card for 5 different people, possibly. Number 10. Number 10 is Eric, 6940. Eric, we're going to get you a Hugh Jessamine Artifacts rookie card out of $9.99. And it's a rookie card of Jeff Taffy. And he is so awesome, that Jeff Taffy guy. Congrats to you. Next one. We got number 30. Number 30 is Tom. Oh yeah, I don't know. Tom, you got Gordie Howe out of $9.99. Mr. Hockey. And Alex Ovechkin gold parallel thingy. Number 29. 29 is Teeks. You got a Old School Legends of Brian Leach out of $9.99. All these artifacts coming out of here. And a Collector's Choice rookie card, which I clearly got from one of Todd's breaks. And how many is that? That's 3. Oh, we got an 8. I think I just broke my wrist. 8 is Elk Killer. You're gonna get a Ryan Miller Upper Deck game jersey from Series 1 of this year. And a Ryan Callahan hot box. And the last one is a 15 going out to Mogwai. You're going to get a Luca Caputi auto and jersey out of 35. Not bad. And a hot box of Andrei Markov, the injured. Okay. And yes, I forgot to announce, what do you guys think the best hit in this box was? Is it the Cody Hodgson? Or is it the redemption out of 25? I'm going to say it's the redemption. It's a materials and it's an autograph and it's a gold out of 25. So, and everybody seems to agree. So, Crow, you're going to get a full refund for Carolina. And that is the Holy Mackinac bonus. So, the last bonus this evening is called Keeping the Balance. And I'm going to open up, a couple extra packs for you guys. I got 5 packs of Contenders and 2 more packs of Pinnacle for Tom. So, let's go. 19 minutes in already. See if we can get another base pack. We got Tim Thomas, Crosby, Ian White, Briere, Mason, Jordan Stahl, Ryan Clough, and Ryan Whitney. 2 stunning Pinnacle base packs in a row. And Billy Leno, Letang, Scooby-Doo, Semin, Jamie Benn. Oh, could it be? It is. Tim Thomas, Tim Gleason, Jack Johnson, Boo. And you know what? I know there's hits in these packs. I'm gonna open up a cheap pack. Let's make sure we get a hit in it, right? So, a couple OPT on top of it all. Penner, we got a rookie, Philip Larson for the Stars. We got a retro Todd White for the New York Rangers. And, oh, we got an inaction in here or something. We got Matt Cook, Team Leaders card, Stepniak, McCulloch, Bergeron, a Matt Karkner retro, and oh yes, it is. It's a quad souvenirs card for Linda. Oh God, that's gorgeous. Linda Scouts. You got Joe Thornton, Joe Pavelski, Danny Heatley's a dual color, and Devin Setaguchi. Wow, now that's a bonus pack, huh? There you go, Linda. This Danny Heatley swatch is just gorgeous. It's like a black and gold. So let's move on to the contenders. Corey Snyder, Joe Thornton, Upside Down, Louis Eriksson, Upside Down, Anze Kopitar, and awards contenders for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Yeah, once the Pinnacle, I got 3 packs of Pinnacle. Once they're gone, I'm staying away. Got Chris Pronger, Upside Down Nathan Horton, Upside Down Eric Stahl, and oh, a redemption. Really? We got a Rookie of the Year Contenders auto card number 14, and I don't have the checklist, so if somebody could look that up for me while I'm opening these last 2 packs, that would be coolness. Rookie of the Year Contenders auto card number 14. Florida Panthers, we got Brad Richards of the Stars, St. Louis, Henrik Sedin, and aha, cool. This card's going to have to be random between the old school Winnipeg Jets and aka Phoenix and the Edmonton Oilers. Wow, Tenby for the doubles. Nice. That's a good one. Alright, New Jersey doubles. There you go, Hammond. This one's for you. And I'm going to roll right away on the top. It's going to go to Phoenix, and on 1 to 15, Phoenix, blah, blah, blah. It is a 13. This card goes to Phoenix via Dale Hawerchuk, old school Winnipeg Jets. Last 2 packs of the break. I'm starting to sweat now, boys. Josh Bailey, Ryan Smith, Sid the Kid, Vincent LeCavalier, and Rick Nash, season ticket for the Columbus Blue Jackets. And who had that one? Crow, was it? No, Justin. There you go, Justin. And last pack of the break. Joe Thornton, Pronger, base pack Boo, Cullen, Marlowe, and Chris Neal. So I got about 10 or 12 of those contender packs left, and there's 3 autos in there. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that is the break. Thank you for bidding, and I'll see you on the next one.